full moon forming in Virgo is taking attention on subjects regarding your house and family. You can experience developments with your family members and parents and also get conclusions in buying or selling houses, renting, moving and refurbishment. Your emotional sensitivity will increase. You have to protect your stomach and immune system and take care of your nutrition. We are in the Jupiter day today. The moon progressing in Virgo is at the full moon phase. In the evening at 8:07, the moon is going to make an opposition aspect, and 14 degrees in Virgo, a full moon is going to form. The full moon in Virgo can bring cases like work, service, job, education, production, health and hygiene, both for personal and as a society, to foreground. We are going to be in a period that our attempts started in the new moon are going to be visible, and our new thoughts and ideas become clear. The full moon can increase our emotional and physical sensitivity.